everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to fold this hanky. We are going to make a beautiful butterfly. Pull it down and then we're going to tie it using a rubber band. Now open the wings of the butterfly. You can also tie it again, give it shape, paste and knots, and it's done. Today we are going to make colorful hearts using hanky. Fold it and then roll it from the side. As you can see, we're going to flip it and look, your heart shape is ready. So we're going to fold this hanky and roll it from one side and then from other as well. Flip it and pull it down. We're going to make this elephant head, paste googly eyes, and it's done. Let's make this mouse using hanky. So we're going to fold and roll the hanky and then press it from the top. Now we're going to tie a knot by flipping it and rolling it again. Pull it from the top and tie it using rubber band. We're going to make the ears and tail, paste googly eyes, and it's done. So we're going to fold this white hanky and then we're going to make 2 ears of the bunny by tying it using rubber band. Again fold it and tie it at the back. Here we're going to make the legs. Fold it again, use rubber band and give it shape like we're doing here. Paste 2 eyes and look, it is ready. Here we're going to fold this hanky from both the sides, tie it using rubber band and make 2 ears. Now we're going to stuff it inside, make a ball, tie it again like we're using here, and then we're going to fold it at the back side. Give it further shape, your bunny is ready. Here we're going to make fish craft using this hanky. Fold and roll the hanky, tie it using rubber band. Now we're going to make the fins. As you can see, tie it and make the tail, paste eyes, and it's done. Let's make octopus using hanky. So roll it from both the sides, pull it down and tie a knot using rubber band. Make a ball shape, paste eyes, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.